Welcome back to West Coast Connected series. I'm Lucy Hedges, and in this episode, we'll be learning more about how we can better use IT to get the most out of remote working. Whether you're planning on returning to an office in the near future, or if, like me, you've come to enjoy the benefits of working from home, we know that going forward, working styles are going to look very, very different. Fun fact, over a quarter of the working population have said that they're planning to continue working remotely even after lockdown is totally lifted. Now, with so many people steering away from 5 days a week in a permanent office, it's crucial that we have the right IT that'll enable us to work with flexibility and efficiency, whether we're at home, in the office, or lying on a sun lounger somewhere. Now, as we saw from our last episode, we know that Windows 10 Pro is so good for keeping productivity high when you're working from home. But it's also uniquely positioned to enable whole teams to thrive remotely without compromising on efficiency or security. It offers easy integration with all the Office applications we know and love. Plus, its super fast file transfers and powerful built-in security means you can handle large data sets securely and easily. And making sure your data is never at risk is one of the most important things to consider for flexible working styles. In the UK, one small business is successfully hacked every 19 seconds. So it's crucial that you've got a system that has powerful protection measures in place. And Windows 10 Pro is by far Microsoft's most secure system to date. So it's all well and good talking about all these incredible features, but what does it look like when it's put into action? We spoke to podcaster and my good pal Adam Savage about how Windows 10 Pro has been helping him up his productivity and help him work from anywhere.
Hey, welcome to my home studio. That's right, I'm using a selfie stick because, hey, these are coming back. I've also made sure to wear the most flamboyant jacket that I own because it's all about the top half. Bottom half, always pajamas these days. But let's talk about Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Pro has been revolutionary, really, because ultimately, everything that I need to do on a day-to-day basis has been combined using this integrated application system. Ultimately, when I'm on the move, out and about, from going for my allocated walk for the day, way back at the beginning of lockdown, we were allowed like a few minutes here and there. I've actually managed to go out and enjoy my day, go for my walks and things, and everything that I need, any kind of mails that come through, any kind of notifications, all come straight to me thanks to Windows 10 Pro, which is amazing. Microsoft 365 applications are something that I use on a daily basis. They are really helpful for everything, be it me writing, be it me editing something, be it me staying connected. It's all great. I love it. But the added factor that with Windows 10 Pro, you get the security as well, the Windows 10 security, which amalgamated with the 365 applications together, is a tour de force. Like, it's the creme de la creme. You just feel protected at all times. Security is a massive thing these days that we're all kind of concerned about. I want to make sure that everything is safe with our data and we're being protected at all times. That's why I like Windows 10 Pro so much. You know, it's great to have all this hardware, all this kind of cool stuff, from lights to cameras to green screens to PS5s, all that kind of stuff. But where it really matters is the software, the stuff that you're actually using, the programs you're utilizing to make the things you want to make.
So there you go. I don't know about you, but I'm convinced. Now, with its comprehensive security systems and flexible management, Windows 10 Pro is an incredible bit of kit for businesses and individuals now and in the future. And I think it goes without saying, we'd love you to leave a comment below on what you'd like to see us cover to answer some of your tech challenges. And remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss an episode. And we'll be back soon with more problem-solving tech and software that you need to get your hands on.